Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this lowering film effect in CapCut. So first you can just add the clips that you want to edit and then change it into change the aspect ratio or crop it into 1 by 1 or square. So click on transfer and resize. Here I'm going to go with 1 by 1. Now you can click on a check icon, change the aspect ratio like this, and now just export this project. Now you can just go back and here add the video that you just exported. Click on add. Okay, this video is right here, and now you can just delete this. And now okay, crop or split the video into two. So I'm going to split here, for example, and under the second clip go to effects, video effects, and then find the rolling film effect, this one. Click on the effect, adjust it. So here I'm going to adjust the speed into 0 and the filter I'm going to just leave it as it is. Click on the check icon, adjust it for the entire clip. And now click on the second clip, go to animations, under the in category add the rock vertically animations. I'm going to add around 2.3 seconds, just like this. And now in here I'm going to add a white overlay. So go to overlay, add overlay, go to the CapCut library, and then I add the white background in here. Click on add, adjust the whole to fit the whole screen, and crop it to around 0.4 seconds. Go to splice and choose the darken. Click on a check icon and go to animation and add the fade in, fade out. Click on a check icon. So this will be the final result for the rolling film effect. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.